Shown here is a rebuilt alternator. Unlike older style Porsche alternators, this one is pretty much plug and play. The regulator is internal and the alternator should come with a proper pulley installed on the front. The green arrow in the insert photo shows the metal bushing that may give you trouble when you're trying to remove the alternator. This bushing is the one that needs to be tapped on in order to loosen the assembly for removal. Before removing the alternator, you must first disconnect the battery. Do not attempt to replace the alternator with the battery connected. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Before you can remove the alternator, you will need to remove the drive belt. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Shown here are the two 15mm mounting bolts for the alternator to engine. You'll need to first loosen the upper bolt, green arrow, and back it out about 3/4 of a turn. Then using a drift and a hammer, tap on the bolt. The purpose for doing this is to loosen up the metal bushing that is located inside the rear flange of the alternator. With the bushing loose, lift up on the idler pulley and the alternator assembly should rotate counterclockwise. Now remove the lower bolt, purple arrow. On the 996 engines, remove the two 8mm screws as indicated by the green arrows, holding the brake booster vacuum connection to left side, driver's side intake. This will allow a little more wiggle room to remove the alternator from the engine compartment. Rotate the alternator to remove it from the engine. It may take a bit of maneuvering to remove, but it is possible. The insert photo shows the brake vacuum line on the 997 engines, green arrow. You can disconnect it from the crossmember to give you additional room. With the alternator unbolted, disconnect the electrical connection from the rear. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.